This is Imran at Toronto, downtown Condos.com, introducing Canary Common Condos, 180 Mill Street, Toronto, front and Cherry Street corner. This is Distillery District, right across the street. Beautiful, gorgeous condos, tons of amenities, loaded with amenities. Nice area to walk around, walking distance to water park, and all other amenities. TTC streetcar taking you downtown within 7 minutes. Beautiful, gorgeous layouts, 2 bedroom plus den, 1 bedroom plus den, 1 bedroom with parking and locker. Across the street is George Brown College campus, a gorgeous investment any time of the year. People love to live in it. They don't want to leave these condos. Call me direct at 416-670-6588. Email me, Imran at Toronto, downtowncondos.com for further information, current listings, upcoming listings of condos for sale and for lease. Thank you so much for listening.